Un, dos, tres.
Next up we have Soraya Sobradad.
This is day 10 of a facelift, neck lift, and lower lid blepharoplasty. With my weight loss, I used to be much heavier in weight. I used to be 220 pounds, and I've been maintaining my weight loss for about 26 years. I feel like I'm 30, but I was looking really like, So I wanted for some years to do a facelift and a neck lift. I always had a fleshy neck. I'm still swollen. It's only day 10. My recovering from the surgery and freaking out at times. Like, oh my God, one eye is bigger than the other. There's a lump here and there's not a lump here in my eye. Going nuts. I'm just going to tell anybody who's thinking about facelift surgery, ask a lot of questions before you do it and realize it's going to take months for everything to come together. And if you're like me, who believes in 60 seconds in the microwave and you put it in there and in 60 seconds your life is perfect, you got it wrong. This is going to take time for everything to come together. Like I have stitches going from here down here and they pulled all the way back. You're going to lose some of the space in between your ear and your sideburn. They told me that. I was okay with that. I mean, I even had hair from my neck with the facelift go back here. Like that's how much like flesh I had there. And I had some deep lines and I had a little bit back. I'm still healing, The incisions here from the lateral brow lift to remove my crow's feet. I have no crow's feet now. I mean, it's only 10 days, I have nothing. Look, I have nothing. I was okay with those lines. I was just really unhappy with what was going on here. My neck was like turkey neck. All of that is gone in 10 days, really. There's numbing. Yeah, it feels like rubber, actually. Be aware of that if you're going to do this type of surgery. And I feel my surgeon is fantastic, so he'll take good care of me. Plus the powers that be. I believe in that. I'm trying to keep the weight down. I cook healthy, kind of transitioned in many ways. I'm sober, I'm abstinent from overeating, very deep, intense, unhealthy relationship with Colonel Sanders and the Burger King and Ronald McDonald, messing around in his playhouse way too often, honey. I have body image issues. I got really flabby arms. I got man boobs that you won't see right now. I think when I took off the face, went over here. I got tummy that hangs from the excess weight. My inner thighs flap. I haven't had sex and I have all these issues about my body. But I'm cute though. And once I recover from all this, hopefully I'll be cuter. Anyway, whatever. Anyway, yeah, I'm full of myself too. You gotta be. Somebody's gotta be on your side. I'm on my side. So, you gotta massage and just say to yourself, I love myself. I did this because I love you. Because I have family members who are 400 pounds with diabetes, okay? So I did this for me because I'm healthy. I've done great with my music. I've kept the weight off. I want to date again and I want to feel a little bit more energetic. So I did this for me because I love me. If you want to do a facelift, neck lift, you want to get your tummy tuck, circumferential lift, inner thigh lift, arm lift, whatever you want.
Un, dos, tres.
I'm selling this, not selling any of this. So, my name is the super sexy, super fabulous, and super desirable Soraya Sobradad. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my shop.